Assalamu alaikum, how are you all? This is tutorial part 2, Aldar Tower in Dubai. So let's start. Okay, I create this in tutorial part 1. Okay, now this tutorial part 2. So what I do, first of all I go to the file and new family. Okay, and select the metric generic model pattern base, open. Okay, so I change the unit. Okay, meter. Okay, and okay, so click on this pattern and change the rhomboid. Okay, and now what I do for this one, I click this point here. Okay, and create the circle, set. Okay, and draw the circle, this point 0.01. Okay, and what I do now, first of all I select this one and select this one, the circle, create a poem. Okay, so what I do now, for this one I select this. Okay, filter, check none. Okay, and this curtain panel. Okay, so now select this curtain panel and I create the material, new material, this material 1. Okay, and okay, so what I do now, go to the wireframe. Okay, and again select the main, this basic line. Okay, so click on this one. So now just select this all and create a form again, this one. Okay, so now click this one and I write here 0.005. Okay, and here minus 0.005. Okay, so go to the shade. Okay, and again select this all. Okay, and filter, check none, and again the curtain panel. Okay, so now see this one, both select this the before, because I want to material this this for glass material and this for metal material. Okay, so I select this one. Okay, and go to this material. Okay, new material and material 2. Okay, and okay, so now this is finish family for the curtain wall. Okay, so what I do, I go to now load into project. Okay, so what I do now, I click on this model, edit in place. Okay, so this one, now select the inside, this one, this one. Okay, because I create this 2 layer, this one for outside, the big, and the small inside. Okay, so I click that one and select here that family 5. Okay, okay, so now this apply. Okay, after I will show you. Now continue, and now go to again the new family. Okay, again select the metric generic model pattern base, open, and what I do, select this pattern. Again the change the unit UN and meter. Okay, select the pattern, go to the RAM board. Okay, again, and select the point, click here. Okay, so what I do, circle, set. Okay, draw the circle. So I want to this one 0.6. Okay, no problem, this one, and click this one and click this one, create a poem. Okay, so now this is create, and what I do, I select this one, again the filter, check none, curtain, panel. Okay, so now this select and create the material, new material. I write here just M material. Okay, and okay. So what I do, again this one, again load into project. Now this and the project. Okay, this is the family before I make for this curtain wall, but now I want to upload in this project. Okay, so now upload here, again click this one and click this one. Okay, the outside, click this one and go to the family, this family 6. Okay, so now this, go to the shade. Okay, so now this is create that one. Okay, so go to this, click on this family. Okay, and go to edit this material. I create a new material, create new material. Okay, and just select the color. I just select the color white. Okay, so apply and okay. So now see this one. Okay, and what I do now for this one, the other one, I select this one and this is edit. Okay, this is material 1 and material 2, you remember that one, material 1 per glass. Okay, so I select here and create new material and go to the color, just I want to change the color. Okay, and apply. Okay, so go to the realistic. Okay, and what I do now, I create one family for this side. Okay, so what I do, again go to the new family. Okay, and the same metric generic model pattern base, open. Okay, change the unit, again meter. Okay, and what I do for this one, click on this point. Okay, and circle, set. Okay, so also this one I need this point 4. Okay, and what I do, click this one, create a perm. Okay, and now select this one and select this one. Okay, create spline through points. Okay, and click this reference line. Okay, so what I do since point. Okay, again circle this set. Okay, draw the circle point 4. Okay, and click this one and click this one, create a poem. Okay, so now go to the 3D wireframe. Okay, and click this one and click this one, create a poem. Okay, click this one and I write here 0.005 and also minus 0.005. Okay, now what I do, go to the 3D in the shade. Okay, so click on this one and I create the material, this M1. Okay, and now for this one select and select this one. Okay, so now just I create material for this. Okay, again the material, new material M2. Okay, this M2 per this mullion. Okay, metal type. So again I load into project. I use family 5 and family 6. This is the family 7. So I want to upload in the project. Okay, so what I do, click on this one and go to this family 7. Okay, so see this now apply and this tutorial part 2 is finished now and I will continue tutorial part 3. I request you, if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.